To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. A side menu will appear. From there, select Settings. Under the Settings section, select Notifications and Sounds. Next, find the Calls section and select Ringtone. By selecting Classic Themes, you can browse and choose from Telegram's default tones. You can also select a ringtone from Aquamorphic themes, or tap on this device to choose a tone from your own device. After selecting your ringtone, simply go back to save your choice. And that's it. You have successfully updated your Telegram call ringtone. So that's how you can change your call ringtone on Telegram Messenger.